Hello, my friends. I am Mr. Zazoo. That is what my friends call me. There are no names where I come from. My friend said, how about talk about the meaning of life or what I am is? And I say, instead today, I am going to give you a recipe for change. If there is something you do not like in your life and you want it to change, how do you get it to change quickly, my friend? Ask. Tell yourself. And then here's the big secret. Allow the change. My friend, she sometimes wants a change, but then things start to change and she thinks they're getting worse. And she says, don't change. And I chuckle, my friend. I chuckle because when you ask for change, you have to understand that the change is going to come because change is a part of your everyday life. The change is going to come, and it is for the better, for your better. Now, when I say that though, that is very interesting because when my friend asks for change and something happens that she likes, she says, woohoo. When something happens that she doesn't like, she says, don't change. I changed my mind. But what is occurring there, of course, my friend, is that there is a judgment. Change, don't change. I like it, I don't like it. However, all roads lead to your betterment, your improvement, you raising yourself. Now, how to get from where you are to the change, where you are to a version of you that has more of what you want, the change, a version of you that has more of that betterment, well, that is a little tricky because sometimes you encounter bumps along the road and you get on a bump and it looks bumpy and you say, I don't like that, I changed my mind. But my friends, when you do that, one of the difficulties is that you are not doing one of the things my friend had hoped I would talk about, putting yourself first. You must put yourself first. And to do so in this case means you say, I asked for change. I am, and I am a creator, and therefore the change is coming in the direction I prefer. I may not be able to see it now. When you say that to yourself, you start to let everything be the way it needs to be, my friends, so that it can change in the direction you want. When you look at people who are more empowered, they seem to do more with less, don't they? They seem to get more with less or by doing less. Why or how? They understand this part of change. So they aren't trying to do it all, they aren't trying to give it all, because they know that that isn't what makes the difference. You are what makes the difference. And for you to make the difference, you have to allow the change and allow yourself to be that cosmic creator